Let's examine something equally mysterious. How you manage to reassemble yourself each morning. This is too important. Say, only if you understand how you reassemble every morning, you can understand how you can bring the best things of your sushupti state into your waking state, and how you can make the best use of your sushupti state in your waking state. Let's examine something powerful, very mysterious, how you manage to reassemble yourself each morning. Because that's what happens, isn't it? After hours of complete dissolution, somehow all the pieces of your identity magically come back together again. Watch this process carefully the next time you wake up.